Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we're showing you how to link your Ubisoft account to Twitch for 2025. First, open your browser and go to the Ubisoft website at ubisoft.com. Log in to your Ubisoft account. If you don't have one, click Sign Up and create an account. After logging in, click on your profile icon in the top right and select Account Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Linked Accounts. Now, look for Twitch in the list of available platforms and click Link Account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to log into Twitch. Enter your Twitch credentials and click Log In. Once you've successfully logged in, click Authorize to complete the linking process. You should now see that your Ubisoft account is successfully connected to Twitch. This will enable you to unlock in-game rewards from Twitch drops and much more. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to How to Wave for more great tutorials.